Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing the process of creating this intricate mandala art fused with botanical elements, all on a beautiful black paper background. I started with a compass to draw a clean base circle. This circle will be the guide for building detailed mandala patterns. I love how symmetry brings peace and structure to any art piece. I am using white gel pen for all the intricate patterns. Let's now begin filling the layers one by one using simple repetitive designs. Each ring of the circle will have a different motif, leaves, dots and line structures. These patterns not only add beauty, but they also bring a meditative rhythm while drawing. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, click on the bell icon also so that you will receive notifications of every video and shorts on time. Have you ever tried artwork on black paper? Share with me your experience and let me know in comments. Have you noticed all the 5 patterns in my mandala are different? I have designed with all different patterns to create a uniqueness of the mandala. This mandala pattern is going to complete. Then I will draw a nature-based art inside the mandala art. Now it's time to add a touch of nature. I am sketching out a few abstract leaves overlapping part of the mandala. This fusion style is one of my favorites. It connects structured geometry with the organic flow of nature. I chose soft pastels, lavender, dusky pink and muted browns to color the leaves. These tones complement the white mandala perfectly and create a dreamy contrast against the black paper. To finish it off, I will add some dot work and speckles in the background. It gives a galaxy-like effect, adding depth and a bit of sparkle to the overall design. I love how even small touches can change the vibe of a piece. Don't forget to like and share my video if you are watching my video till now. And here is the final look, a delicate fusion of mandala and nature on black paper. If you enjoyed this process, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned.